I ask AI a scary question. If you could replace some jobs, which ones you would replace first? The answer was interesting because AI did not choose job, it chose task, and that's a huge difference. The first answer was data entry. Yes, AI loves repetitive work. If your job is mostly copying, organizing, or moving information, AI can already do a lot of that. The second one is customer support. Not the complex stuff, just the common questions. Where is my order? How do I reset my password? AI can answer thousands of those questions at the same time. Then came content writing. Product descriptions, basic blog posts, social media captions. AI can create these in seconds. But great ideas, storytelling, and creativity, that's still much harder to automate. Then I asked, what about programmers? And this is where things get interesting. Today, even people who can't code can build simple websites and apps using AI. Sounds bad for developers? Not exactly. Developers are not disappearing, they are becoming more productive. Think about it. If a company needed 10 developers before and now AI helps 3 developers do the same work, is that replacement? Not really. The job still exists, but fewer people are needed, and maybe in the future, one developer will do what 10 used to do. So the real question is not will AI replace developers? The real question is when companies need fewer developers, will you be one of the people they keep? After all my questions, AI gave me the one answer that stood out. AI is not replacing people who use AI, it's replacing people who refuse to learn it. So maybe the future is not humans versus AI, maybe it's human with AI versus humans without it. Which side do you want to be on?